Snyder here with DecoArt's The Craft Minute. Today I'm going to show you how to create this really pretty glitter fade technique. There it is in gold, here it is in silver, super pretty. You want to start off with the glass piece of your choice, a chip brush and Americana acrylics in a color that matches the glitter you're going to be using. Here I'm using antique gold and just brushing up, and that's going to give you this really pretty jagged edge. This one here is already dry. Now I'm going to use the same type of brush and just load it up with the Craft Twinkles in gold. And again, just brush up. This time you want to surpass that paint line. That's going to give you the really pretty blend. And that's it. The next step would be to do one more coat, and then you'll end up with this really pretty glitter fade. I hope you like that technique, and see you next time on The Craft Minute. Bye.